Paul from Steering Wheel Restoration. Here we have a Ashby wheel, and here we have a Brooklands Bluemels wheel. So this is Bluemels, this one is George Ashby. You can see the main difference between them, both 17-inch diameter wheels, but the Bluemels wheel has square spacers on the spokes, and the Ashby wheel has round spacers on the spokes. And you can see the features here where the plastic intersect the spokes. This is straight on the Bluemels wheel and has this little bell end on the Ashby wheel. On the back, the finger grips on the Bluemels wheel, they're just undulations really. On the Ashby wheel, they're slightly more ornate and rounded. That's the main difference between the Ashby wheel and the Bluemels wheel. Both Brooklands wheels, this was made from about 1929 through to 34, although they were fitted as old stock through to about 1939. These were fitted from about 1933-34 right the way through to when they stopped manufacturing them in 1965.